If you're looking at Den automation products for the first time, or you're just adding to your current Den system, then this could be the video for you. Don't move. So in this video we're going to be looking at the Den Smart Motion Sensor. We'll do a quick unboxing, we'll go through the product itself, all the features, we'll have a look at the features in the app, placement of the sensor, and then at the end we'll do a test and a demo. This is the Den Smart Motion Sensor. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy videos just like this, then please remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. So if we do a side-by-side comparison with the Philips Hue, the Den Smart Motion Sensor and the IKEA Trad-Free Motion Sensor, you can see there's not too much in them really. These two are pretty much the same, albeit a different shape. Philips Hue is slightly shorter, none of which are going to be intrusive in your room. They can just sit nicely somewhere out of the way. So again, there you can see that side by side they're all pretty much the same. The Philips Hue one slightly thicker, the other two are quite slimline. So for securing to the wall or to the ceiling, the Philips Hue comes with a magnet that has a little screw through it that this then attaches to magnetically. The Den has a magnetic sort of section there with the sticky back on there, so you can stick that wherever you want, and you can also stick it to the little stand that it comes with. And the Trad-Free has a plastic sort of clip that you stick to the wall, and then the Trad-Free then locks into place. Another thing to consider is the placement of the sensor, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the magnet to the little stand there, and then attach the sensor to the stand, and then I can use the stand just to place the sensor in and around the room to find the optimum position. And then once I'm happy with it, I can then fix the sensor in a more permanent state if I want to. One of the options you have within the app, you can go into the motion sensor and you can set what time you want the sensor to be active. So in my case, it's going to be in my little lad's room, and I don't want him getting up in the night and the light coming on bright during the night. So I'm going to set my sensor, or his sensor, so it's active from 6 o'clock in the morning through till 10 o'clock at night. So if he gets up in the night, it's not going to put his main light on really bright, which I think is quite a nice feature. But if you just want to have the sensor on all the time, then you just click on that, and that's the sensor active constantly. So if my lad decides he wants something from his bedroom, he can use the light switch in the normal way, because the Den Smart switch works just like any other switch, but if he doesn't, the sensor will do it for him. And I've positioned the sensor on that shelf using the little stand provided, and I find that the perfect position because it doesn't trigger the lights if anybody walks past his bedroom when the door's been left open. And once he's got what he needs from his bedroom, he can either switch the light off in the normal way, that never happens, or he can just walk away and the Den Smart motion sensor will recognise there's been no movement in the room, and after a minute, which is what I've got it set to, the motion sensor will turn the light off for him. With Den Automation being a relatively new company, I have had to ask them a few queries, a few questions just regarding the products as I've received them, and I have to say they've been exceptionally good. The response times are very quick. I've sent them a question via the website, and within minutes I've had a confirmation saying they've received the question, and then 10, 15, 20 minutes later I'll get a reply answering the question. So that is really good. So if you want to see me do a video on Den Automation's customer support, then drop a thumbs up, and if we can hit 50 likes, then I'll do a video testing out their customer support services and how quick they can answer one of my questions. Also, at the time of shooting this video, Den Automation don't charge you for delivery. So there you go, that's the Den Automation Smart Motion Sensor. I hope you found that of use. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments box below. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.